Hello creatives, my name is T. Michaels, and in today's tutorial I will be walking you through the process on how to create a glass morphism on your design. A couple of days I've been getting feedbacks and questions from my fellow designers and my fellow creatives on how I create a glass morph on my design. So today I'm going to be showing you a simple way to create a glass morph on your designs. So it doesn't really matter what kind of shape you want to use to create that, but in the course of this particular video I'm going to be using a rectangular shape. So I'm going to take a rectangular shape here and draw over this layout, and I'll change my color to a red fill color so that you can see what I'm going to do. So after I pick up another shape, which is a rectangular shape, and this is what we're using. This particular shape is what I'll be using to create a glass morphism. So you can easily follow the process, and probably you want to create another way of doing yours, but this is the way I go about creating a glass morph on my designs. So I'll go to my blending modes, or best say blending options. Then I'll go to my stroke, and after clicking on my stroke, I'll change the value of my stroke to 5. Then I'll reduce the opacity to 44. So it depends on whatever you want to create. You can choose your value anyhow you want it, but in the course of this video I'm using this value. Then I'll change the fill type to gradient, and I'll reduce the scale. I'll change the style of my gradient to reflected. Then I'll change my scale to 61, as you can see. Then I'll go to my inner glow option. Now change, this is on screen already. Now change the value to 35. I can change this color. You can change it to whatever color you want to use, but I do prefer using this color. Then I'll change the size to about 25. 25. Then the range still remain the same. Then I'll go to my drop shadow option. I'll reduce my shadow to 20. 20. And I'll increase my distance to about 70. 70. I'll change the angle to angle 90, so to speak, 90. Then I'll increase the size to about 100 or 123. As you can see. Then I'll click OK. So what you can do here is just to reduce the opacity, or let us use fill. You can reduce the fill of the color depending on the color. It depends on the color you are using actually. So this is me reducing the white color using the fill option. So I can change my color to whatever color I want to change it to. As simple as this. This is how I create my glass morphism on my designs. So I hope this video help you create beautiful and stunning glass morphism on your flyers or whatever you want to use it for. I hope you learned one or two things from this. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, like this particular content, and share to fellow creatives. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.